Welcome to another video on Treatment Organizer Grade 2 Kerala PSC exam. In this video we are focusing on botany.
Which of the following best describes the biological significance of double fertilization in angiosperms? Answer is, it ensures synchronous development of endosperm only when the zygote is formed, thus conserving maternal resources by coupling embryo formation with nutritive tissue formation. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. In the light of these statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason correctly explains assertion. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason does not correctly explain assertion. Assertion is false, but reason is true. Answer is, both assertion and reason are true, and reason correctly explains assertion.
A large number of migratory birds died in a lake after eating fish from it. Laboratory analysis showed high concentration of a pesticide in the birds' bodies. The phenomenon responsible is
Bioemulation, biological magnification, bioremediation, biomining. Answer is biological magnification. Which of the following enzymes are not essential for gene cloning? 1. Restriction endonuclease, 2. DNA polymerase, 3. DNA ligase, 4. DNA recombinase, 5. DNA mutase. Choose the correct answer from the options. 4 and 5 only, 1 and 2 only, 3 and 4 only, 2 and 5 only. Answer is 4 and 5 only. Which of the following asexual reproduction methods involves the production of new plants from specialized underground stems that store food and produce buds, enabling both perennation and vegetative propagation? Runner formation as in strawberry, bulb formation as in onion, rhizome formation as in ginger, leaf budding as in bryophyllum. Answer is rhizome formation as in ginger. In an experimental pond, if phytoplankton productivity is reduced drastically, what is the most immediate effect on the food chain? Increase in carnivore population, reduction in herbivore population due to food scarcity, no effect as zooplankton can photosynthesize, increase in nutrient cycling rate. Answer is reduction in herbivore population due to food scarcity. A botanist observes a flowering plant in which pollen grains are released as a single tetrad unit rather than as separate pollen grains, and the species shows a high incidence of apomixis, producing embryos without fertilization. Which of the following statements explains how apomixis affects genetic diversity in the population? Apomixis increases genetic diversity by producing recombinant genotypes via meiotic irregularities. Apomixis maintains the maternal genotype across generations, reducing genetic variety, combining genomes of different uses. Apomixis maintains individuals. Apomixis causes permanent heterozygosity by combining genomes of different species. Answer is apomixis maintains the maternal genotype across generations, reducing genetic variability compared to sexual reproduction. Consider the following statements about meiosis and genetic variation. Only 1 and 2 are correct. Only 1 and 3 are correct. Only 2 and 3 are correct. All 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Answer is only 1 and 3 are correct. Find the correct number of meiotic and mitotic divisions that occurs for the development of a mature female gametophyte from the megaspore mother cell in a flowering plant. 1 meiosis and 2 mitosis, 1 meiosis and 3 mitosis, 2 meiosis and 3 mitosis, 1 meiosis. Answer is 1 meiosis and 3 mitosis. Choose correct combination from the following statements. Only 1 and 2 are correct. Only 1 and 3 are correct. Only 2 and 3 are correct. All 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Answer is only 1 and 2 are correct. Which one of the following ecological pyramids is always upright? Pyramid of biomass in sea, pyramid of energy, pyramid of biomass in forest, pyramid of numbers in parasitic food chain. Answer is pyramid of energy. Match the following list 1 with list 2. List 1. Robert Koch, occupational, dots ethambutol and BCG. List 2. Tuberculosis, WHO, Mycobacterium, tuberculosis, bagasosis.
Choose the correct option. The answer is option C.
In polymerase chain reaction (PCR), the amplification of DNA occurs through repeated cycles of denaturation, annealing and extension. Which of the following enzymes is essential for this process and why? DNA ligase, because it can cut DNA at specific sites. Restriction endonuclease, because it synthesizes complementary strands. TARC-DN polymerase, because it is thermostable and remains active during high temperature. Denatured DNA polymer, because it helps in transcription of RNA from DNA template. Answer is TARC-DNA polymerase, because it is thermostable and remains active during high temperature denaturation steps. Which of the following best reflects the essence of cell theory in its modern form? All organisms are made up of cells and cell products. DNA is the only molecule responsible for inheritance and metabolism. Cells can arise from non-living matter under specific conditions. All cells arise only conditioning cells, and cells are the basic unit of life. Answer is all cells arise only from pre-existing cells, and cells are the basic unit of life. A dividing cell shows chromosomes aligned at the equatorial plate, sister chromatids attached by kinetose to spindle fibers from opposite poles, a nuclear envelope already fragmented. Which of the following stages of mitosis is this cell undergoing?
Anaphase, prometaphase, metaphase, telophase.
Answer is metaphase.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.